Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I am Jyotirvid Pavan Kumar. Friends, I have made videos, one video on destiny, giving reference to the Vedic statement that you are the master of your destiny. So you can recreate your destiny. And earlier I made a video on free will, stating that everything which happens in our life is not pre-scripted. We are not like robots. See, broadly things are planned before birth on the astral plane where we are, where we were before birth. But not the details. Many things are left to the individual, how he goes about it, how he achieves the goals. Goals are set broadly, but what path an individual follows is left to that individual. So there is free will. Now, when I talk to people on these topics, many people feel that okay, fine, what you are saying may be true, because our Vedas, they are not telling lies. We are the masters of our destiny, but practically it doesn't seem to be so. In life, in practice, it is not easy to change things. Things do happen forcibly, and we seem to be unable to recreate our destiny. So what is the truth? Well, I thought about it and I felt that I need to make another video to explain things in much more detail. So in this video, I am going to give you some more details how you can do it practically, because I am talking from my own experiences and experiences of other people whom I know. They did so. They recreated their destiny. Right? So in this video, I am going to give you some takeaway points, takeaway things which will help you to realize this. Right? Now, I know a person who was working, who was very well qualified, and he was working in a very big organization, and he had a very good pay package. Right? But soon after joining there, say about within 6 months or so, he felt uneasy. He didn't get work satisfaction there. He was not happy due to certain reasons. Right? He was not fitting well there in spite of good salary. So he had no other option but to quit that job. So he left that job for his peace of mind. And then he was out of work for some time. And later he told me that he got offers from other places, but with low pay package. So he didn't feel like joining there with low pay package. See, this is what happens in many cases. If you are working in a place getting very good salary and you have to leave that job, or you are put out of work due to certain reasons, then you are getting offers from other places but with low pay package, and you feel that no, it is below your status, that you don't want to accept a job with low pay package, but other people will say. Right? Now these people, they forget that earlier they were getting good salary, but they were not satisfied. They didn't have peace of mind. They didn't have work satisfaction there. So they were unhappy. Now they are getting more opportunities with low pay package, but they are ignoring the other factors. It could be at this new place where you are offered a low pay package, you may get more work satisfaction. You may be more satisfied there with your work. And these things do matter a lot, because your health is much more important, physical as well as mental. And for that, you need to have contentment, happiness, work satisfaction. And these things not only help you, but whole of your family. Right? If you are happy, if you are contented, then you are able to give more good time, valuable time to your family, to your children. So in the long run, other things other than money do matter a lot. I agree fully that we are living in a time when everyone needs more and more money, right? But we cannot ignore other important things in life, like contentment, work satisfaction, happiness. They are much more important than money. So when you get opportunities, don't miss those opportunities. Everybody gets opportunities. If one door is closed due to certain reasons, nature opens many other doors. But we ignore because we are focusing just on one thing. It could be money, or it could be some other thing. You are getting a job away from your native place. It could be. But by doing that, you may prosper more. So you have to consider all the priorities. What does matter in your life in the long run? So that way you won't miss good opportunities. That is one thing. The other thing is, wherever you are working, when you are working, see, I tell you from my own experience and experience of other people, that we are living in an imperfect world. That means you will never find a workplace where you get 100% freedom from troubles. Some troubles, some problems will always be there at every workplace. But a lot of these are trivial problems. So you need to overlook those. You need to concentrate on your work. Be more focused. Because especially in the private sector, no employer will ignore a dedicated person. They want dedicated persons who are able to concentrate fully on their work and give more output. Right? So ignore trivial disturbances which are present at every place, I know, right? Wherever you go. That is another thing. So 2 pointers, 2 takeaways I have given you. 1, don't miss good opportunities. Don't just focus on money. Give importance to other things in life. And when you are working, put whole attention into your work. Be more focused and give more output in whatever work you are doing. So you will definitely progress. And another thing, lastly, I want to mention a law of nature. See, there are many laws of nature which do operate irrespective of your belief, whether you believe or not, whether you are ignorant of that law or you know that law, doesn't matter. The laws of nature operate equally on each one of us. And one law of nature is, whatever you give, you get back. If you give goodness, if you help others in any way, then help is definitely going to come back to you. Goodness is going to come back to you, which will open up new opportunities. See, it is your good karma if you are helping others. And your good karma is going to fructify in good karma, in good things which will happen in your life. It is a law of nature. Whatever you get, you must have given that, or you will have to give that in return. There is nothing free. like offers in this physical world, buy one and get one free. No, it doesn't happen in nature. You don't get anything free. You have either paid for that previously or you will have to pay for that. So obey this law of nature. Take advantage of this law of nature. Help others unconditionally. That is another thing. Don't expect anything in return, because then it will defeat the purpose. Help others as a duty, thinking that you are more privileged than the other person, and you help that person in any way. If you are getting more money, then you can help through money, or you can help through any other way by caring. That will open up new opportunities, and help will come to you even from unexpected sources in your time of need if you are helping others. So that will be another thing which will help you to recreate your destiny. So 3 things you take from this video from me, practical things, and you will never say that our Vedas are wrong when they state that you are the master of your opportunity. First thing is, don't miss any good opportunity by just focusing on money. Give importance to other things in life. Okay? And other thing, whenever you are working, wherever you are working, focus, 100% concentration. Thirdly, give that ye may receive, but give with the sense of duty, not expecting anything in return. And my dear friends, I am telling you from my own experience and experience of other people, successful people who recreated their destiny. Yes, you too can do it. Right? Believe it. Thank you for watching.